Okay, so you've got a Ford Flex, one of those giant SUVs that I actually really think are pretty sweet. And you've got a key fob battery that's low and needs replacing. If this is your fob, here's how you do it. So first thing you need to do is realize that there's two parts to this fob. If you look on the side here, it's kind of a line that goes all the way around. You need to separate this into two pieces so we can access to the internal battery. The key to this, the key, haha, is in the upper right here, right where my index finger is. If you're looking at the fob like this, there's a little indentation, and you can get something in there like a small flathead screwdriver or even another key. Works really well. And you can just put that in there and twist it to get some leverage to be able to start to get some separation to pry these two parts apart. And so you can also get a good amount of leverage right where you might put a key holder or a key ring as well. And then just kind of twist, and you should be able to pop these two pieces apart. Might take a little bit of elbow grease, but I believe in you. So once you pop these two pieces apart, you can get access to the internal CR2032 battery. Just tap that thing out, that'll fall right out. And when you get a new battery, just make sure the positive side has the lettering on it, this 3-volt battery, CR2032. Make sure that's facing towards you. Just put that back in. Go ahead and replace the backing and just pop that back together, and boom, that's it. That's how you replace the fob battery for this Ford Flex, and this has been used since since this car came out in 2009 to present day. And again, the battery that you'll need is a CR2032 3-volt coin battery. Thanks.